Hello everyone, here this is Adeomitomishe. Welcome to my page. In this tutorial I will be showing us the beginning to end functions of Pixellab. Every tool in Pixellab I'm going to be showing us. Alright, so please, before we go further, please follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, which is at Eden Enterprise, and also my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it. Adeomitomishe. Alright, let's start. We're starting with this left top corner here, which is the plus. It contains all these tools. It contains text, current date, stickers, shape, from gallery, draw. Now, everything we have seen in this plus, except from the current date, everything we have seen there, we also see it at these bottom tools, here. All right, text is this place A here. Stickers, this is sticker. This, you can choose different stickers. Shape is here. From gallery, you want to take something from your image, from your gallery. Draw, to draw, and everything is there. This import servers from gallery, yes, and this draw here also the same thing. So everything inside this plus, except from the current date, is also found at these two bars down here. Yeah, so the next by the side is this cassette looking icon, this icon that looks like a cassette, yeah, which is to save your project. You want to save your project. Yeah, to see the project, you just come here. Yeah, so save projects, and to save your image when you are done, when you are through. All right, let me tell you that. Okay, so this share icon is for sharing, of course, quick share to social medias. Now this quote, you can just take a quote from here: motivation, success, friendship, happiness, inspiration, positivity, and absurd. So you can just take, and it will just automatically show, and you work on it. Now at this place also, the contents on tools, you can use image from gallery, full screen. This full screen, you just want everything to, all the toolbars to go away. You want to just see your work alone. That's what it's about. Use from camera, export image, which we have in this save already here. Image size, now this one is to choose what you want to work on, like the size of what you want your design to be. Let's say I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. Now I'll click on this, and this size in our canvas, this is our canvas, this size here is for YouTube thumbnail. If you want to choose Facebook cover art, you can choose that. Let's see, it's smaller than YouTube, so without stressing yourself, you can just choose from what you want to do there, and the rest. All right, so this backward, whatever, this arrow facing back is actually to undo something you have done. It will bring you back. To undo it, this to zoom. Maybe you're working on a tiny text, or you're working on a small image or whatever. You can zoom. The highest is 500%, and you work on it. When you're through, you zoom it back. All right, this is grid. You can change it to give you just anyhow you want it. For those that that work with logos, they will use this a lot. So, and even design, I use it a lot for my design. I use it a lot. All right, and this is where all our materials, all our elements will be showing in. Just like Photoshop, we have this, and other designing apps. So anything you are doing on the screen here should appear here, except the background. Where every element you place on the screen, it should appear. All right, look at this. It will appear. All right, now this place, this to copy, this for size, relative size, as you can see, this for relative position. Though everything here also can be seen down. It can be seen here, it can be seen in this place, it can be seen down. So I think I should stick to the one down. All right, now let's move down. Now these three circles embedded in themselves are just this my Pixellab is actually a modded version. You can download the real version on Play Store and the rest. But why I like this, it gives me less stress. The stickers are different. There are a lot of things here. There are a lot of fonts also here, so that's why I choose to use this. All right. So as you can see, my project to see what you have been working on, and this also sizes of what you want your design to look like. If you want to design for Facebook cover art, just like the other one, if you want to design with A4, if you want to design 9x16, everything, this is a perfect square. All right, so now text. I use the down toolbars a lot. I use it more than this place. All right, so now when you bring out the text, you will see different options under it. So I'm going to be fast with this. All right, this to edit your text, this to delete it, this to copy, this to take to the front, this to take to the back. Now let's say we have this here, and we want to bring the text to the front. To take it to the, you press to the front. When you want to take it to the back, you press to the back. All right, this for positioning, yeah. This px is I tag it as how fast it goes. Yeah, so it goes fast. If it's one, just little by little, you hardly, but all right. Relative position is to some certain areas on your canvas. You want to take it to the side here, you want to take it up, you want to take it just, if you want it to put at the center, you click these two. All right, the size of your text, which you can do here also. Something like after 100, maybe you want to do something bigger than this. After 450, some others Pixellab can be different. Some are just 100, some are just 200. But if you want to increase it more, you just take it here. All right, then padding. Now you just to add more space to the, if you are doing padding to the left, add more space to the left. If you are doing padding to the right, add more space to the right. That's all it's about. Color, of course, color it. Texture. Now you can just, if you don't want to use color, you want to use texture, you just want to let us take black texture. Yeah, just like this. Now let's use image. Sorry. Okay, let's use this girl image. So it will just take the texture. You can scale it here, smaller, bigger, and embed it. Does play around with it. All right, so Opacity, yes, degree of how visible and invisible it becomes. Rotation, yeah, this max is just like a cut, whatever. I use it a lot also. We'll be showing us how to do it in our later videos. So you can explore around Pixellab to know what it really carries. Now, fonts, like I said, all these fonts here comes with this my own Pixellab, but the normal Pixellab fonts are, should I say, they are whack. They are not too good. So you can add your own fonts. I've added some here. You can add your own fonts also to the original Pixellab also. And this for recent, like the fonts you recently used. Okay. Style, yeah, bold, italic, underline, and this T cancel is to cancel everything you have just done. All right, we can bold only the G. You can do anything you want to the G and leave the rest. It's just anyone you highlight will be the one that will carry that feature. All right. Curve, yeah, just want to curve. Thank you. Background of your image, yeah. Okay, let's say white. Can you see? Aligning, yeah, just okay. Now this is very let me reduce the size. All right, now aligning. You want it to be to the left, to the middle, and to this. That is what that is about. Now spacing between letters. These letters, this one can be spacing between words, though they are not. Let me just type IS here. Okay, ID. Now spacing between words. Can you see? This spacing between letters, they are two different things. All right. Line spacing now. Can you see? That's just what it entails. All right. Stroke, yeah, as the name implies, just to add stroke. Shadow, inner shadow. So just like that. Emboss. If you're using Android version 10 and 11, I think this is going to be hard for you because it's not going to work actually. It was working on my Android 8, but when I upgraded to Android 10, it's not working. And it's not because of my Pixellab special. It's general. All right. Yeah, perspective. You want to like wrap your image or something. You want to make it look as if, yeah, this is just what it's about. Okay. 3D rotate. Yeah, the other rotation moves in 0 to 180 degrees. Why this moves it opposite directions? Yes, opposite direction. All right. And 3D text, just like emboss to problem, but there's a way to fix this, maybe later. 3D shadow. Oh god, I used all this thing a lot when I started my design, and it was just catching my attention. But if it's not necessary, I don't think we need to use it. I hardly use it anymore. All right, and reflection. Oh, this also I used. Oh shit. But if you don't need it, though, you don't need to use it, like I said for the other one. All right, that brings us to the end of text. Now, if you want to change if you want to change your shape, you press this arrow near the rectangle here, this one, you press it, and you see the shapes are limited though, but let's say we want to change it to this one to be opacity, color, the stroke, the opacity of the stroke, the stroke color. If you want it to be straight, you want it to be squarish, you want it to be bent in this up angle here. Alright, the blur radius of the stroke. Alright, let's just take one. So now when you are editing an element apart from text, you use this place. When you are editing element of text, you use this A. When you are editing the background, you use this, and this is also for additional, just mostly background edit, vintage, noise, stripes, brightness. You can see everything is affecting the background, not even the shape that is there. And saturation, everything is affecting the background. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this class. I told you, if you're editing other elements apart from text, you use this octagon. Am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hexagon. Sorry, you use this hexagon, double hexagon down here. I want to see some. Okay, yeah. Now color filter. Let's just color it probably. Okay, blue. Now color filter here. You can. Let me bring an image. Okay. So color filter, where is it? Yeah, can you see that? Saturation, brightness, to increase it. This one affects your element, the element you are working on. And that will be all. Most things here are repetition of what I've said in the text already, so just repetition. Now erase color here. Thank God. You want to erase a certain color. The default is white, but you want to erase a certain color. You click on this eyes dropping tool here, and let's say want to erase. Okay, let's say want to erase red. So though it's not too perfect, but when you increase the tolerance, it will increase some things there. It's not too perfect, but I use mostly to erase white and black images. Like I want to erase the white away from the black, because those two colors are too different from themselves. But this red, you see, when we erase it now, the girl body will start fading. Then because there's a red inside the yellow, there's a red in the girl's tone. So it's very nice for us to use to edit white and black images. Alright, and the rest also, eraser to erase. Can you see? And that's all. Thank you for watching to the end. Thank you, and I will be dropping more videos. Please do well to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page also, Eden Enterprise. Thank you, and God bless.